Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Connor, and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to be talking about prefold diapers. Now, we are not fans of prefolds, and I'm going to go into why it hasn't worked out for us, and yeah, we don't like them at all. So I hope you find this video really helpful. We've been on a cloth diapering journey for a while now, and I feel like we have a really good understanding of what works best for us. And I'm gonna go a little bit into that and why prefolds really just aren't the right cloth diaper for our family. If you're interested in prefolds, I think you're gonna really like this video. And if you like my video, please like it. I am new to YouTube, so every single like and every single comment means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. Yes. Okay, I got a cup of coffee so we can talk about prefolds. Let's start out first by looking at what a prefold is. This is it. It is a single cloth which has multiple layers, and you have one panel that has more layers than the outer panels, and it's basically a pre-folded piece of cloth that you can fold into different types of diapers. Now, the reason I thought I would really like prefolds is because they're cheap, and well, they're very cheap. I think I got like a dozen of them for like $45, so each one is, you know, a diaper. And that just seemed like such a great deal. The other reason, besides it just being so cheap, is that, you know, you can, in theory, fold this to any sort of shape and size to meet your baby's needs as they're growing. And it's just like a custom diaper, basically. Yeah, so it sounded really good in theory for me. I was like, okay, I can do that. I looked up all the different folds, and I wasn't really planning on doing anything fancy. All I was planning on doing, and I definitely tried this a few times, was a pad fold. And what you do is just fold it into a pad, which, if you see, it's pretty thick, and it has, you know, it's like the most absorbent because like all the layers are on top of each other. And then I would take my cover, it like takes a minute to do this. I'm not a professional. I know some people are like really good at doing this very quickly, but I am not. And this isn't a great example at all, but basically you would put the pad into your cover, and that is your diaper. There you go. Really simple, very affordable. The other reason people really like prefolds is because it's very easy to clean. So because it is just, you know, this sheet, it dries very quickly. It's very easy to get the poo off if you're like hosing it and then tossing in the washer. Yeah, all of that sounds so good, right? You have a cheap piece of cloth, you can fold it to your baby's like specific size and needs and body shape, and then you can wash and dry it very quickly. For me, it is cheap, so that was great. It does wash and dry very quickly, that's also great. It does not, at least in my experience, hold pee very well. It doesn't contain any sort of poo. And I swear to God, like, it only takes one pee for my baby for it to be completely soaked. So while in theory prefolds sounds so good, and I really, really wanted to love them because I love things that are simple and easy and especially affordable, but it did not work. So instead, I'm going to show you what we use. Okay, so yeah, so instead of using prefolds, we use the Workhorse, and they're all part of like the same Green Mountain Diapers, Cloth Easy family. This is the size medium, so it's red. And I recently just got these in the mail, so they're looking pretty good for cloth diapers. My baby just sized up to the medium. And the reason I like Workhorses better than a prefold is because it contains pee and it absorbs a lot better. And I've never had a blowout with poo in a Workhorse that ends up with getting the poo on the outer cover. Like, you'll see here, I'm gonna show you, is like a stain. That's from a prefold. Like, that stain has never been from a Workhorse. And yes, the reason why people probably don't like Workhorses is because they're a lot more money. Each one of these is around like $14. Sometimes you can get them on sale. You can definitely get them secondhand for a lot cheaper, but you know, you're never gonna get anything as affordable as a prefold. So I get it, like why you would want to use prefolds, but in my experience, Workhorses are the only thing that has contained my baby's poo and pee. So yeah, I really wanted to love a prefold. It just doesn't work out for us. It has always been the Workhorse, which, you know, we have the snaps because I am super lazy and I do not like using pins, or what are they called? Like, they're these things. I'm really bad at using these. So I use the snaps, and that's it. I know some moms out there will use their old prefolds and they'll actually sew them and make like a Workhorse style diaper, and that's really cool. I can't sew, so you know, I'm just gonna have to use my prefolds for like cloths. They're, in my opinion, a lot better cloth than they are a diaper. But yeah, I've had, you know, such a tough experience with prefolds. I wish I really liked them. Oh, can you hear my baby in the background? Sorry, he's talking. You want to say something? Yeah, do you like prefolds? Yeah. Yeah. One last thing I'd add about prefolds, which I really struggled with, and I think I'm just like a certain type of cloth diaper person who, like, I'd say definitely leans more towards like the lazy side of cloth diapering. I don't want to have to deal with folding a cloth and using, oh yeah, they're called snappies and pins. Like, I just want to like get it done as quickly as possible and move on. So yeah, what I really struggled with prefold is the actual folding part of it. Outside of using the pad fold, which is like the laziest fold you can use, you know, you can make diapers with them, and I just found like it never really worked for me. It was a lot to handle while like the baby's like squirming on the changing table, and you know, I have a toddler running in the background, and I'm just trying to juggle like life, which is really hard already. This just like didn't work for me. Yeah, it was a really good experience. I'm glad like I was able to try the prefolds out. Like I said, I'm going to use them as like a cloth to clean up, I don't know, baby spit, something else. But yeah, this is my experience with prefold. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you're trying to decide what type of cloth diapering system works best for you, you know, there's a lot out there. For me, I'm glad I tried prefolds, but you know, it didn't work out in the end. I definitely recommend using a workhorse. It's my favorite type of diaper. You okay over there? Yeah, and you know, it has, you know, it's the same make as a prefold, same grade unbleached organic cotton. It's just sewn together in a way that contains all of the poo and pee, and that's really like due to the fact it has like elastic around the sides. Yeah, you know, costs a lot more money, but it's definitely worth it. And that is everything I have to say about prefold diapers. I hope you found this video really helpful. I am new to this channel, so you know, every single like, every single comment means the world to me. I appreciate you watching this video. I really hope you found it useful, and I will see you again soon.